Hello and welcome to Geography at Maynard. My name is Kate Williamson and I'm Head of Geography. Our department are a really enthusiastic team of expert geographers with excellent subject knowledge and a real passion to inspire our next generation of girls. As Michael Palin, president of the RGS, once said, geography is a subject with a real purpose, and we feel the importance of trying to inspire our girls as the big problem solvers of tomorrow. It's a relevant and really important subject, and one that we think is really exciting. Our department focus on ensuring subject knowledge and understanding is really important, as well as trying to get our girls to be creative thinkers and the big problem solvers of tomorrow. Our teaching approach is fun and interactive. We place great emphasis on asking big geographical questions, having inquiring minds, and trying to get our pupils to think outside the box. Our Key Stage 3 curriculum lays the foundation for GCSE and beyond, and we try to make our curriculum really inspiring with a mixture of physical and human geography. It develops really important skills between Key Stage 3 and Key Stage 4. So between Year 7 and Year 9, we work through a series of human and physical geography, undertaking local inquiries using GIS and techniques such as Survey 123, as well as using mapping software such as Digimap. We have a wide array of fieldwork equipment, so we can use that on site, and we can also go off into the local area to find out more about what the world has to offer. We encourage our girls to think creatively, and so we do some really fun activities like Biome in a Box, where they're able to make their own rainforest or biome environment, and to research and explore that through creative means. We also think through activities in a creative way using thinking skills like mysteries and decision-making exercises. By the time our girls get onto GCSE, we have a really good uptake at GCSE, with girls taking a combination of different subjects. At GCSE, we follow the AQA specification. Again, we follow a mixture of human and physical topics, and this is a really exciting specification. By this stage, our girls are able to think like geographers. Fieldwork is a really important integrated part of the course, so we do some excellent fieldwork exploring our local environment and looking at urban regeneration at Princess Hay in Exeter. And we also have a day wading around in the river, having lots of fun down on the River Otter, using some of our specialised equipment. Again, uptake to A level is really high, and girls have lots of small class sizes, often between sort of 4 and 16. We tend to have small class sizes so that we can give lots of one-to-one care, and we know our students really, really well. In the lower 6th and the upper 6th, we encourage our girls to participate in lots of extracurricular activities, reading around the subject, and we participate in quite a few conferences and lectures. For example, the Girls into Geosciences conference at Plymouth University, as well as the Tectonics conference, which is held in London every year. These are really valuable experiences to helping girls see lots of specialist lecturers and professionals in these areas. We also have our annual Snowdonia field trip, which has highlighted the calendar, and we look forward to taking the girls to have a look over the Nantfranken Valley in Snowdonia and have a look at some of the fabulous glaciated landscapes there. In addition, we also work in some urban regeneration in Birmingham, so we have a look around some of the fantastic work that's going on there and having a look at the impact of HS2. We allow students to explore their own titles for their NEA and their individual coursework at A level, and we have lots of excellent equipment in the department which the girls can use. We like to get them to choose their own titles because it allows them to take a bespoke approach to their coursework and to do something that they're really, really interested in. Particularly if they're, for example, a physical geographer, they can then pursue their interests down that direction, or they can go off and look at more human aspects of geography. And we're able to support girls on a one-to-one basis. A good number go off to study geography at university. We've had very successful applications to a range of really good Russell Group universities, and we support girls in the department through that process. More widely, we encourage all girls to do competitions, for example, the RGS Young Geographer of the Year, entering essay competitions where they can to try to broaden their understanding of the geographical world. In recent years, we've had a number of overseas expeditions in the department, for example, Iceland, Sicily, and a joint trip to Costa Rica with the biology department. More widely, a number of our geographers take part in outdoor expeditions, and we have in the past run the overseas expeditions to a number of really fantastic destinations. So to name a few in the past few years, Peru, Tanzania, India, and coming up in the future, Borneo. Our geographers are independent young women who can critically think about problems and will be the big problems of the future. As Michael Palin said, geography is a real adventure with a purpose, and we hope that in the geography department we can support our girls to think about the world and to take a really active part in the citizenship of managing the planet.